Fuel injectors are part of the engine's fuel delivery system that delivers precise gasoline or diesel amounts to each cylinder exactly when needed. They have an atomizing nozzle that distributes the petrol or diesel evenly, for optimum combustion and efficiency. Most fuel injectors are at the head of the engine. They are mounted in the intake manifold so that they spray fuel directly at the intake valves. A faulty fuel injector can cause a short or uneven supply of fuel and result in a rough or violent idle. It would also cause engine vibration because the corresponding cylinder cannot be fired. You may find some white smoke coming out of the tailpipe and experience poor gas mileage. It will turn on the check engine light on your dashboard and store the fuel injection error codes. If your vehicle has encountered fuel injectors related problems, here is one method to fix the fuel injectors. Inspect the leaking fuel injectors on the fuel rail. Carefully remove the fuel injector. Make sure the new injector has new seals, and never use the old seals over. When you change the fuel injectors, change them all as a set, otherwise the engine will run unevenly. In order to prevent leaking, get some gasoline, put it in a cup, and then dip the new fuel injector into it, so the seals may get wet with gasoline, and it will go in and won't leak. After all, just slide all the new fuel injectors in. So here is one method to fix the fuel injectors. To save more money on car expenses, claim a free engine code scanner by clicking the link here or at the description link below. You're also welcome to leave comments below. Our mechanic professionals will answer them shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.